Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to Seasoned Pickersz, the go-to place for all your creative adventures. Today, we're delving into an essential aspect of Photoshop, saving and exporting your projects. Because what good is a masterpiece if you can't share it with the world? Let's dive in. Saving is like the superhero cape for your projects. Before you embark on any creative journey, hit that Ctrl+S or Command+S, for our Mac users, to save your work. Trust me, future you will thank present you. Let's make saving a superhero habit. But saving isn't just about preserving your work, it's about staying organized. Create folders, name your files sensibly, and embrace the magic of version control. It's the key to a stress-free creative process. A tidy workspace is a happy workspace. Now, let's talk about sharing your creations with the world. Photoshop gives you multiple ways to export your projects, depending on their destination. Whether it's for web, print, or social media, we've got you covered. JPEG, PNG, GIF, PSD, the alphabet soup of export formats. Each has its purpose. JPEG for photos, PNG for transparent backgrounds, GIF for animations, and PSD for preserving layers. Choose wisely. The right format ensures your creation looks its best. The delicate dance of compression and quality. Balancing file size and image clarity is an art. Adjust the compression settings to find that sweet spot where your image looks great without bloating file sizes. It's all about finding the right balance. Remember, the way you save and export is as unique as your creative fingerprint. Personalize your settings, experiment with different formats, and find the workflow that suits your style. And there you have it, a guide to saving and exporting your projects in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Photoshop wisdom, and hit that bell to stay informed. Thanks for joining us today at Seasoned Pickersz. Until next time, keep creating, keep saving, and I'll catch you in the next video.